All right. Good evening, good night to everybody. We're doing our third portfolio break tonight. It is December 6th, 2016. Here are the names right here. Here are the teams. So let's roll the dice to see what names and teams get matched up to. So let's roll the dice. 2 and 2 equals 4. So 4 times with the names. Good luck. 1, 2, 3. Fourth and final time. Good luck. William S. at the top. Ryan Emerson at the bottom. Let's put that into the spreadsheet.
No, you know what, Chris? No, there isn't. Chris.
All right, so
there is not.
again, 4 for the teams now. Good luck.
Pick your team break yet.
1,
I need to collect all my resources here.
2, 3. Fourth and final time. Good luck, everyone. Washington Capitals at the top. Edmonton Oilers at the bottom. So if we match that up. So let's spread out this sheet.
So here is the
Alrighty.
cardboardconnection.com info right
So William S.
here. Everybody else for tomorrow.
Nice. Okay, William S. Perfect. So William gets the Capitals. Ryan Emerson gets the Penguins. Emerson also gets the Sabres. Todd gets the Blues. Ryan gets the Flames, Devils, Canucks, Blue Jackets, Predators, Avs.
Wasn't there earlier.
William S. gets the Coyotes. Ryan gets the Bruins, also with the San Jose Sharks. Doran gets the Florida Panthers. Ryan gets the Minnesota Wild. Doran gets the Dallas Stars. Ryan gets the Tampa Bay Lightning.
College rules will apply.
Doran gets the Red Wings. Ryan gets the Islanders. Todd gets the Canadians. Doran gets my Los Angeles Kings. Maybe we'll pull you some Kings mojo. Ryan gets the Ducks, Hurricanes, Blackhawks. Todd gets the Winnipeg Jets. Ryan gets the Philadelphia Flyers, also with the Senators. Todd gets the Rangers. Emerson with the Leafs and the Edmonton Oilers. So congratulations, Ryan. So I'm going to pause the video, see if anybody wants to make any trades. And when we get back, I'll roll the dice to open which inner we're going to open and use the random generator to see which boxes we're going to open. All right, so there weren't any trades. So here are the names again, so you guys can see. So this is a fresh case portfolio. There's 2 inners that contain each 8 boxes. So I'm going to open it up, then roll the dice to see which inners we break. Then I'll use the mint generator. The random.org generator to see which boxes. So I'm going to number these boxes. It's going to be a little different from this break since it is a fresh case. So here's one. And there's 2. Alright. So I'm going to roll the dice. 1, 2, 3 for the top inner. 4, 5, 6 for the bottom. So here's the dice roller. 3. So we're going to do this inner up top. This inner right here. Alright. So now let me open up this inner. Pull out the boxes. Yeah, we could rally around some black. That looks really nice. It's fun, easy, quick break. Turn these around. All right. So Joe told me the best way to do this from a fresh case is he would number these boxes. So that's what I'm going to do. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so I numbered them 1 through 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 through 8. So now I'm going to use the generator right here. So minimum and max right here in this corner, if you guys can see that. Or actually it's kind of blocked. See that right there now. So I'm going to generate it, and whatever two of them numbers come out, I will use those boxes. So the result was box number 7 for the first box to pick. So number 7 will be for this break. And if the number does come out against 7, I'll just regenerate it. 2. So box 2 as well. So here it is right here. So 2 and 7 are what we're doing. These other ones are numbered now, so they'll be for the next future breaks. Alrighty, got that done. So now, time to break. So this is a 2-box break of Portfolio Hockey. Now good luck, everybody. So we've done 2 portfolios so far, 2 box breaks. Pulled a Austin Matthews redemption for an autograph for JD in the first break. Second break, Tim gets the Oilers. Get a Connor McDavid black and white auto. Mrazek, Ribeiro, Braden Shen, James Neal, rookie phenom Jake Virtanen for the Vancouver Canucks. Throw that over there. McInnes, Nikita Kucherov, Varlamov. All right, so I'd love to pull some more heat for you guys in this one. Jason Spezza, Tobias Ryder, Sami Vatanen, rookie phenom wire photos, Andreas Anthoniosu. I think I pronounced that okay. It's the one name I did try to practice. Detroit Red Wings with that hit. David Krejci, Victor Hedman, Tomas Tatar, Nick Butchstad, Chris Versteeg, Doug Harvey. Nice, some LA Kings mojo. There it is, King D. Anze Kopitar, now the new king for the new captain for the Los Angeles Kings. King Kopi. That goes to the Los Angeles Kings. That is a Doran. Nice. Told you I'd hit you some LA Kings mojo. This jersey I'm wearing is a practice jersey of his. So, got some Kopitar mojo right there. Guy Lafleur, Johnny Gaudreau, Martin Jones. What's up, Todd? How's it going? Patrick Marleau, Mark Giordano, Brent Burns, rookie phenom Hunter Shattenkirk for the Calgary Flames. Remember, all these cards do ship. Doug Gilmour, Eric Stahl, Corey Perry, Nick Foligno. He was just the assistant to the regional captain then. Yeah. Henrik Sedin, Martin Hanzal, Mike Camilleri, rookie phenom Chiara for the Oilers. Mark Messier, Mario Lemieux, Joe Pavelski, Marc-Andre Fleury. All right, so we pulled the relic. It was a Kopitar relic. So now we're just looking for the auto. Bo Horvat, Wayne Simmons, my boy Wayne Simmons, Steven Stamkos, Mikko Koivu, Gosses Fair, Wired Photos, Nicholas Backstrom, Justin Falk, Jonathan Quick. Can't wait till Jonathan Quick does come back and play for the Kings. I've missed him. Although Peter Budaj has stepped in pretty damn well for being the starter in Ontario in the AHL. Ben Bishop, Joe Thornton, Rasmus Ristolainen, Mike Smith, rookie phenom Mikko Rantanen for the Colorado Avalanche, Alexander Barkov, Andrew Ladd, and Ryan Kessler. So still looking for that auto. Pulled the relic already. Let's see which auto it is. Ryan Suter, Erik Karlsson, Zach Parise, Nicholas Backstrom, Tyler Seguin, Pavel Bure, Pavel Datsyuk, Evgeny Kuznetsov, sorry. Devin Dubnyk, Patrick Kane, Brandon Saad. Well, seen the auto already. Eric Johnson, and their autograph is Washington Capitals. That's William right there. He bought into a break, randomized the Capitals. He is a fan. Pulls himself a Capitals John Carlson auto. Nice. So congrats, William. Pacioretty, Hoodler, Bobby Orr. So I'm gonna rip open all these packs just to get through this box right away, since we did pull the auto and the relic already. So I'm gonna just rip open all the packs. Try to fly through this. I know, right? It is your turn, man. Next box, yeah, King D. I'm just flying through these names, you know. I try not to, like, botch names, but if I know them, I do fly through these. But those are just base cards, so... you will get everything, though. What's the deal with these white bordered parallels? I'm not sure, William. This is only, like, my third break of portfolio. But I do have the checklist. If someone can drop that link in the chat. Alright. I'm sorry, man. Alright. Oliver Ekman-Larsson. Kevin Hayes. Brock Nelson. Roman Josi. Rookie phenoms. Sergei Plotnikov. Oh, wow. We got another... Oh, wow. Look at this. Something extra. So this is may be redeemed for rookie number 2, RXC rookie color art redemption.
Another one.
Yeah, this is not autographed though. But if it is rookie number 2, that should be Patrick Laine. Nice. So who has the Winnipeg Jets? That's Todd. Todd Reardon gets this right here. That should be Patrick Laine. We'll make sure though, but
Was it number
that
2?
should be it. Yeah, it's number 2. Rookie number 2. All right.
All good.
Yeah, they did, Todd, because earlier we pulled a Austin Matthews rookie number 1, and in Cardboard Connection it did say that it was Austin Matthews rookie number 1. So I assume if it's rookie number 2, it has to be Patrick Laine. But we'll check that out. Carlson, Giroux, Sean Monahan, Henrik Zetterberg, John Gibson, Louis Eriksson, rookie phenom Colin Miller, Matt Duchene, Yakupov, Philip Forsberg, Boychuk, Chris Letang, Mika, Alexander Steen, Charles Hudon
Yeah,
for the Montreal
number 2 is that
Canadiens.
Patrick dude.
Yeah, Patrick Laine. That's what Joe
Winnipeg.
said. Winnipeg Jets.
Cardboardconnection.com.
Cardboard Connection has it. Tyler Toffoli, Antti Niemi, Cam Fowler, Justin Williams, Kyle Okposo, Roberto Luongo, Brian Leach, Wired Photos, Brian Leach, Taylor Hall, Yarmer Yager, Braden Holtby, Evgeny Malkin, Brent Seabrook, Jack Johnson, Daniel Sedin, rookie phenoms Nicolas Patan for the Winnipeg Jets, Yari Curry, Ryan Johansson, Sidney Crosby, Joe Sakic, Evander Kane, Duncan Keith, and Nathan McKinnon. Yeah, I don't think this one is a autograph though, but I assume it's a decent card though. The Austin Matthews was an autograph. This was just a color art auto. I mean a color art redemption. All right, so rookie phenom Jack Eichel, not bad. Yeah, right. You can easily get $20 for it. So we got a Jack Eichel right here, rookie phenom. That goes to Buffalo. That goes to Ryan. Not too bad. Rookie phenom Jack Eichel. Yeah, Line is doing extremely well now, so maybe may go for a little bit more. Tyler Johnson, Ryan Strome, Marty Brodeur, Pietrangelo, Kyle Palmieri, Thomas Vanek, Shattenkirk, Ryan O'Reilly, Shea Weber, Scott Hartnell, Scheifele, Getzlav, Little, Kari Latonen, rookie phenom Matthias Janmark for the Dallas Stars, Salmi, Wayne Gretzky, Cliff Baum, Charlie Coyle, Nassim Kadri, TJ Brody, Mikkel Bottker. Here's a nice Connor McDavid rookie phenom wired photos. I'll put that in a penny sleeve. It is still a Connor McDavid. That's Edmonton. That goes to Ryan. Kyle Turris, Komarov, Drysdale, Jamie Benn, Huberdeau, James Van Riemsdyk, Brassard, Craig Anderson, rookie phenom Lauren Dauphin, Andrei Kopitar, Gostisbehere, Bobby Clark, Dion Phaneuf, Victor Rask, Tara Vinen, wired photos, Salmi, Toronto, John Tavares, Carey Price, Sam Reinhart, Rod Brindamar. Oops. Alright, so that's box one. So these were all the hits. Let's put those to the side. Next box. So remember, this is a 2-box break of Portfolio Hockey. Taylor Hall, good? Yeah, he's a good player. I don't know how much he sells for now, but he's a good player. Yeah, Datsuk, Lidstrom, Larkin. I mean, you never know. Could get some nice veteran autos. Alright, next box. Mikko Koivu, Ben Bishop, Joe Thornton, Rostolainen, Artemi Panarin, rookie wired photos. Chicago Blackhawks. I'll put that in a penny sleeve. Nice. Justin Falk, Jonathan Quick, Alexander Barkov. Mike Green, Hamonic, Anthony Duclair, rookie phenoms, Brady, can't pronounce his name fully, but I would say Sky. I'm not sure. For New York Rangers. Sorry about that if I botched it. I know most of the names just because I hear them a lot, but sorry about that if I botched it. Alex Galchenyuk, Glenn Hall, Jake Allen, Pecorine. Sean Monahan, Henrik Zetterberg, John Gibson, Louis Erickson, Mario Lemieux, wired photos.
Unlock those Vault Originals breaks that your dad got into, and
I know, right? Should I listen to my brother?
then a couple
Yeah, maybe he was wrong about that. Rod Brindamar,
will knock out.
Salming, Gretzky.
The master of basketball's already locked up.
Can't really say how that one's spelled. Some of these European names are somewhat hard. Mike Smith, Devin Dubnyk,
By then we should be in good
Patrick Kane, rookie phenoms Mike Condon,
on the spot randomizer. Right?
Montreal Canadiens, Andrew Ladd, Ryan Kessler, Max Pacioretty, Yari Hoodler. Yeah, that one there's no chance. That's true. All right, Dion Phaneuf, Victor Rask, Teuvo Teravainen, Ryan Getzlaf, rookie phenoms,
Is that right?
Antoine
Where?
Bebu. I'm not sure. I don't even want to look like a fool saying this name.
Oh my god, I do remember that.
That goes to the Toronto Maple Leafs. I need to practice for sure. That is
That was Danny Houston.
Oscar Cliffbaum, Charlie Coyle, Yari Curry. Sorry about that. I had a brain fart right there.
What was your dad's friend's name? I totally remember that.
Yeah, so many rookies that I have not heard of their names, right? So, sorry about that.
Right.
Jason Spezza,
That makes sense.
Tobias Ryder, Sami Vatanen, rookie phenom Oscar Lindbergh,
Right. 'cause he said
New York
he had
Rangers.
Markov in Kansas. I
Tomas
don't know,
Tatar,
Oliver. I totally forgot his name.
Nick Butchstad,
Great.
Guy Lafleur, Johnny Gaudreau.
Vince Oliver.
Yeah, I'm gonna definitely practice on some of these names. I usually just like go on YouTube and I like type in their name and I'll hear a play, scored by Gostisbehere, and I'll be like, all right, that's how you pronounce it, and I'll just re-listen to that over and over again until I get that stuck in my head. Brian Little,
My buddy's friends or something.
Kari Leitonen,
Or one of my buddy's
Brent Seabrook, Jack Johnson, Matt Murray, rookie phenoms, wired photos.
He's like, yeah, those are the guys.
I'll put that in a penny sleeve.
He watches us on occasion too. He said,
Let's see, who's this? Pittsburgh Penguins.
he was just like, yeah.
That goes to Ryan. Congrats, Ryan.
My buddies,
Ryan Johansson,
they would make his day.
Sidney Crosby,
There you go. I had no idea that
Joe
was-
Sakic.
I had no idea. That's awesome. I'll find
Really? So that's not how you say it, Gostisbehere? I used to say it differently too. My brother always just call him Ghost. That's what I would say, right? The Ghost. Chris Versteeg, Doug Harvey, Henrik Sedin, Martin Hansel, rookie phenom Mike McCarron, Montreal Canadiens, Gostis Bar, like that, Gostis Bar, Marty Jones, Mark Messier, Mario Lemieux. Ghost. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, right? Mike Camilleri, Bo Horvat, Wayne Simmons, Steven Stamkos, Jamie Benn, wired photos. Yeah, that's how it was for Marcus Mariota. At one point, when he started getting really big at Oregon, people were calling him Mariota, Joe Pavelski, Marc-Andre Fleury, Nicholas Backstrom, and Mariota, and people were just like, "Is that how you even say it?" And he's like, "You know what? Not really, but I pronounce it Mariota. So if you guys want to say it that way," everyone's like, "Oh, sorry," but he didn't even trip about it. All right, next pack: Daniel Sedin, T.J. Oshie, Marian Gaborik, and the next hit. Wow, this is a Kings mojo right here. Jeff Carter, profile materials for the LA Kings. That goes to Dory, King D, Jeff Carter. Goes to the LA Kings. Ryan O'Reilly, Matt Molson.
His name is Vince, but we call him Oliver's fine too. Either way, it works for me.
Yep, former Flyer Mojo. That's right. We didn't get him from you, but he did take you guys to the Stanley Cup Finals that one year. Erik Karlsson, Zach Parise, Jonathan Huberdeau. Portfolio black and white, Bobby Clark for the Philadelphia Flyers. Pavel Bure, Pavel Datsyuk, Kuznetsov, Andrei Kopitar. All right, so we pulled the relic. Now we got to pull the auto. Let's see what auto it is. Verbata, Skinner, Schwartz, James Reimer. Wired photos, Clark Gillies, New York Islanders, Ryan Miller, Morgan Riley, Lanny McDonald. All right. So looking for the auto. James Van Riemsdyk, Derek Broussard, Craig Anderson, rookie phenoms, Louis Domingue. That is Arizona.
What is unlocked?
Gossesbear, Bobby Clark, Krejci, Hedman. All right, looking for that auto still. Looking for the auto. Dustin Byfuglien, UC Jokinen, Dougie Hamilton, Nino Niederreiter. Rookie phenom. I looked up this name. I see if I get this right. Joseph Blandisi. I remember this is one of the names too besides the other guy. Anthony whatever. This is another guy I had to look up. Blandisi. This one's a little bit easier though. That goes to the Devils. Clark Gillis, Jonathan Taves, Tarasenko. Yeah, all right, cool. I got one right. Blandisi. That was like, I gotta check that name out too. Plekanec, Bozak, Drew Doughty. Black and white art card, Nikolai Ehlers, rookie phenoms for the Winnipeg Jets. You're a Devils fan as well? Nice. PK Subban, Blake Wheeler, Brian Leetch, Bobrovsky. Sorry about 2012 though, man. I hope you continue to buy with me even though you know I'm a Kings fan. Alright, so a few packs left. Still haven't pulled that auto yet. Peralt, Klingberg, Tyler Ennis, Vladimir Tarasenko, Lundqvist, Schneider, Iginla, Patrick Sharp. Yeah, but you know what, man? You guys have, Mario Brodeur has a couple Stanley Cups under their belt. It was okay to share. Tuukka Rask, Torrey Krug, Jordan Staal, rookie phenoms Malcolm Subban. That is PK's younger brother. I'll put that just in there because goalie. That is Boston. That goes to Ryan. Matt Zuccarello, Mark Stone, Bobby Ryan, Aaron Ekblad. Yeah, man. You know what though? That series against you guys with the Devils could have went either way the first two games. You guys could have easily won in overtime the first two games. Kopitar scored the first one in game one. Jeff Carter scored the second one. So it could have went either way. We could have been down 0-2 as well. All right, next pack. Still looking for the autograph, guys. Corey Crawford, Phil Kessel, Patrice Bergeron, Tomas Hertl, rookie phenoms Victor Adverson for the Nashville Predators, Ryan Nugent-Hopkins, Nicholas Lidstrom, Adam Henrique. That 14-year though with the Rangers, that whole playoff series was I almost had a heart attack like 5 times. All right, last 2 packs, guys. Still looking for that auto. All right, guys. Jordan Eberle, David Pastrnak, Boone Jenner. Oh, here's the auto. It's that guy I couldn't pronounce earlier. Brady Sky J. Authentic rookies. That goes to the Rangers. Sorry about that if I messed it up. If you guys are watching this on YouTube making fun of me, it's all good. That's a Rangers hit. Doesn't look like it's numbered. But that goes to the New York Rangers. Who has the New York Rangers? That's Todd Reardon.
It's probably not. I mean,
Todd Reardon gets this. Congrats, Todd. I'm sorry, man.
I took a nice picture of it too, Tim.
Kyle did get a ton of spots in the last break, 2 breaks ago, and, you know, didn't get no hits either, man. But that's the name of the game, you know. I'm sorry about that. Last pack. Doesn't mean you can't get any more hits in the next
Yeah,
break.
in fact, when I did a quick look on eBay, I didn't realize it was,
Nyquist, Jeff Carter,
you know, but
Rick Nash,
that's 30,000.
Ryan Suter, rookie Phenom Wired Photos, Shea Theodore for the Ducks, Voracek, Ovechkin, Tyler Seguin. Now that's the break, guys. So thank you everybody for getting spots. That is a 2-box break of Portfolio Hockey. I will put the next one in the store. Let's keep breaking, guys. Thank you, everybody.